Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create animated intro logos in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch CapCut on your phone and tap a new project. Then here, import your logo. Choose a PNG logo with transparent background from your gallery and add it to the timeline. And here you can add overlay or canvas. Choose a solid color, gradient, or even a video background for your intros. And select your logo in the timeline and tap animation. Choose in to add instance effects. You can also add a combo animation if you like. And then here you can also insert your channel name or tagline and style it with the fonts, colors, shadows, or strokes. And you can use effects like glitch, neon, lens flare, and more. And you can also enhance it with stickers or overlays. And you can apply sound effects or music. Just go to audio and click sounds and import your own intro music. Watch the intro to make sure everything flows smoothly, and tap export at the top right and save it in a high resolution. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.